Hi and good evening. I hope you're doing well, and I'm also sure that by now you are pretty accustomed to conversing well in English. Or I could say that you are used to talking in English by now. Well, there is no difference between the two words that I used, accustomed to or used to, but used to is a very common phrase which we come across in our everyday lives, sometimes, many times in a single day. So let me tell you how to use the phrase used to in the correct manner. The first and foremost thing is that used to can be used to signify that you are well accustomed to something by now. For example, by now you are well accustomed to, or let me say used to, conversing in English. The second thing that this phrase used to can be used in a sentence is to describe a former habit, a former action, or a former fact which used to be true once upon a time. For example, before entering into films, Shah Rukh Khan used to be a television actor. Now, this is a former fact which holds true, and we all know this thing. Here, I am using the phrase used to describe that he was formerly a television actor before entering into films. I used to walk to school every morning instead of taking the bus. Now, this can also be a former fact, and it can also be a former habit which was true once upon a time but now is no longer in existence. A former action could be that they used to call each other up every evening to speak to each other. In all these cases, you might notice that the lines between former habit, former action, and former fact are overlapping, which is completely alright. But I hope you get the point that used to is always used in a sentence to describe a former fact, a former habit, or a past action, or to describe when you are pretty accustomed to something. Now let me give you two additional tips to take care when using this phrase in a sentence, which is that used to is always used in the context of past tense, and second of all, the usage of this phrase remains same with each and every subject, that is I, we, you, him, her, and they. It does not change, as you might have noticed in the above sentences as well. Easy, right? Well, that's what happens when you learn with us here at Clap and Go. We make each and every lesson quite easy for you. So do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our social media pages and keep learning with us. And I will see you next time with another topic made easy for you. Thank you.